You want to know the secret to the perfect frozen time effect? Here is how to master the matrix look using Blender and DaVinci Resolve. Step 1. The Blender setup. First, the freeze. Add a keyframe at the start of your stop, copy it and move it to the end. For baked actions, just hit Y to split the strip and slide the rest down the timeline. Step 2. The camera move. Now the iconic matrix orbit. Model a Bezier path with a 360 circle around your object. Start the circle when the time freezes and exit it when it restarts. Step 3. Rendering and speed. Render at 60 FPS for more frames in the slow motion part. Now jump into DaVinci Resolve. Even the free version works here. Open retime controls and set the speed points at the start and the end of your freeze. Step 4. The smoothness secret. Drop the speed to 50% and switch to retime curve. Change those linear jumps to Bezier for smooth transition. Under retime and scale, set the retime process to optical flow and the motion estimation to enhance better. This creates the frames you are missing. Bonus tip for the baked rigid bodies: give objects like these fence chips a tiny bit of rotation during the freeze. This keeps the shot alive during the frozen time.
Come a little closer.